Ladies and gentlemen, behold, three powerful, persuasive, and exemplary women of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. Ayanth, Paula, and Elaine. Be impressed by their poise and intellect. Paula Therese M. Ranyola, 6th Best Speaker of Bicol and Grand Finalist, the Bicol Debate Championships. Grand Champion, Shopee Ultimate Case Challenge 2022. Philippines Champion, Mondelez, Taste the Future, Southeast Asia Business Challenge. 8th Regional Best Adjudicator and Open Semifinals Judge, 5th Bicol Debate Open. And AmCham BLP National Delegate and first place in Business Plan Presentation. Ayanth Rosanes, Delegate, Layag Youth Leader Summit, Steering Committee, SIRAM, Capacity Development Training, Steering Committee for Bicol, Local Youth Assembly, Mayoral Award for Academic Excellence 2016, and Top Performing PH Vote Movers for May 2022 elections. And Elaine Cabiles, Regional Finalist, Finals Best Speaker, and Overall Best Speaker of Bicol, the Bicol British Parliamentary Debating Championship. Semi-finalist and second Best Speaker, Women's Open. Open Semi-finalist and third Best Speaker, Ilocos Norte Debate Open. Open Semi-finalist, Regatta InterVarsity. And Open Reserve Breaking and Union Cup Semi-finalist, National Debate Championship. Be one of them. Be the voice for social causes and start the change as a student leader. Be an Atenean? Choose Ateneo de Naga University.